manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. Here I am going to explain how sulfuric acid is manufactured by contact process. This process involves three basic reactions. First reaction is production of sulfur dioxide, which can be done either by burning sulfur directly or by the oxidation of iron pyrite to produce ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide. In the second reaction, sulfur dioxide is oxidized to sulfur trioxide in the presence of catalyst, vanadium pentoxide or platinized asbestos. In the third reaction, sulfur trioxide is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid to form pyrosulfuric acid or oleum. This oleum is treated with calculated amount of water to form sulfuric acid of desired concentration. And these three reactions take place in three different chambers of this manufacturing unit. This is the setup of the plant which is used for the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. The first part of this plant is pyrite burner. In pyrite burner, iron pyrite is burned to produce sulfur dioxide. Then this sulfur dioxide is mixed with excess of air, and this mixture of gases is passed into the next chamber, which is called dust precipitator. In dust precipitator, steam is passed from the top, and the function of steam is to settle down all dust particles which are present there. Then these gases are passed into the pipes which are called cooling pipes. Cooling pipes bring down the temperature. Then it is passed into the next chamber which is called scrubber. Scrubber is filled with quartz pieces, and from the top water is added to it. Here water dissolves all impurities which are present there, and these impurities settle at the bottom. Gases free from these impurities passed into the next unit which is called drying tower. Drying tower is also filled with quartz pieces, and from the top concentrated sulfuric acid is added to it. Here concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent. Then dry gases are passed into the next part which is called arsenic purifier. This arsenic purifier contains ferric hydroxide placed at various places, and its function is to absorb arsenic oxide if present as impurities. Then these pure and dry gases are tested in the testing box, which contains a transparent glass top, and light is focused on it. If impurities are present, they get illuminated with the light, and then this mixture of gases is recycled through this purification unit. If they are free from impurities, then they are passed into the next chamber which is called contact tower or contact chamber. This contact tower contains pipes which are filled with catalyst. Vanadium pentoxide is the most commonly used catalyst. In the presence of catalyst, this reaction takes place in which sulfur dioxide gets oxidized to sulfur trioxide in the presence of catalyst, which is maintained at a temperature of 450 to 500 degrees Celsius and 1 to 2 atmospheric pressure. Sulfur trioxide produced here is passed into the next chamber which is called absorption tower. Here concentrated sulfuric acid is added from the top, and sulfur trioxide moves up through these quartz pieces. When sulfur trioxide gets absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid to form oleum or pyrosulfuric acid. Then this oleum is collected here and it is treated with calculated amount of water to produce sulfuric acid of any concentration. Sulfur trioxide is not dissolved directly in water because it is less soluble in water, and moreover a large amount of heat is evolved. Therefore, it is first absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid to form oleum, and then this oleum is treated with water to get concentrated sulfuric acid. From dust precipitator up to arsenic purifier, this is the purification unit, and in this part only purification of gases take place. And since production of sulfur trioxide takes place in contact tower, that's why this process is called contact process.